it's a 2008 Chevy Malibu Classic. So I have some, erratic idle and some performance issue with this. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. Long story short, I had an issue. I was using 91 Octane 91 for a while on winter because it's easy to start. So when the gas price goes high again, I changed to Octane 87. So my engine was used. My car is actually used to Octane 91, and now when I have 87 with the current setting, my car doesn't make enough power. That's why I have that erratic idle and I would say rough idle and poor performance. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. So turn off your engine, open the hood. You don't need the windows, so I'm just going to leave the car here. So remove your battery cover and remove your fuse cover. Remove your fuse cover and see for fuses. So what I'm saying is, okay, read this and take out all the fuses which says ECM and TCM and transmission, which means ECM for engine control module and TCM is transmission control module. If you prefer, maybe you can take out BCM fuses too. So taking out fuse is the easiest way. The better way is disconnect your battery ground, not plus, ground. Take your battery ground out and keep it out for half an hour or an hour and connect it back. So when you connect it back, your engine will be reset to default value and your RPM will start from 1000 and gotta fix the issue. So I left my battery open for more than an hour. I'm gonna connect it back and see how it will be. I'm gonna start it. Set the keys. Turn off your fan. Start it. Keep your AC on speed and wait. RPM is more than 1000, so let it settle. Wait for 5 minutes. Done. It's almost done. And drive like your normal car. Cool.